Hey everyone, I'm Kevin from Germany, a software engineer. I'm 27 years old and I'm the developer of What the Commit, which is an NFT project founded some weeks ago, and it should be basically software development for the NFT community. And on my journey while creating the smart contract for this NFT and setting up various things, while doing that, also deciding to go with Polygon as the blockchain and not with Ethereum. I thought it would be a good idea to start a YouTube channel and maybe help out some people which have the same question as me and also try searching for answers but don't find anything and try to figure it out themselves. So this first video will be about the most basic thing in regards to Polygon. We will have more videos in the tutorial playlist about how you can create a smart contract on Ethereum, how you will be able to create the same smart contract on Polygon, what are the differences, and so on and so forth. And right now, this video is only about how to get Polygon set up if you already have a Metamask wallet and how you can use then or leverage OpenSea actually to bridge your funds from Ethereum to Polygon really easily. So this what the commit website, soon you will be able to mint actually the NFTs, and feel free to join the Discord, all the links in the description below, and just ask any question you may have. I'm also open to do AMAs, so yeah, just join the Discord and enjoy the community. So first of all, if you start with your MetaMask wallet, which you can actually not see, okay, there were some technical problems. I'm figuring this out as I go. Normally, I don't create videos or make live streams or stuff like this. So actually, I had to use a screen recording and not a recording of the of this Firefox screen. So in order to that you actually can see the MetaMask pop up. So when you now click MetaMask, usually you create your account. This is now my main account, just as an example. And currently we have the Ethereum mainnet. I have no other networks here for the sake of testing and showing you how it works. So now what you would do is you have your main wallet, you have your Ethereum mainnet network, and now you want to actually create your wallet on the Polygon network. What you will do for this is you will go to actually Chainlist. I will link everything in the description afterwards, so you can just check it out yourself. And here on Chainlist, you can simply go to here and in the search bar and search for Polygon, and then you will see actually two things: Polygon mainnet and Polygon testnet Mumbai. Mumbai will be important later on if you want to deploy a contract on Polygon. I mean, it's cheap, you can do it directly on a mainnet, but I can only recommend testing it beforehand on a testnet. Same you would do with Ethereum. But for the sake of this video, we want now to connect to the Polygon mainnet wallet, which we can do. Should be able to do normally. Okay, so actually reloading it worked. So now we go to connect wallet, and you can see that you can choose the account here, and then you go next, and then you have this one permission here, and you just say connect. And what this will do, it will connect you with the network But also you can now add it to MetaMask, and you will see here it will automatically add all the information for you, so you don't need to write everything yourself um, into the configuration of MetaMask, which is much easier. And then you just go OK, approve, and now it asks you to switch the network, which you can do. And then you will automatically be on the Polygon mainnet. And the way MetaMask works, now you have the same address you have before, also for the Polygon network, and you are already good to go. If it's your first time on Polygon, you will need a bit of Matic. Luckily, the gas costs are near zero on Polygon, so what you can do is just go to Matic Supply, which is this, and then you can say, yes, I'm a human, obviously a German human, and then just train. I'm not good in this, so please bear with me. And then you can do connect actually with your MetaMask wallet, maybe reload, and then let's do it again. Choose the bike, then say connect MetaMask. Then you will actually see the pop-up, and you can just say, okay, I want to connect to this, and then I want to receive. And now you will get a really small portion of Matic, but this will be plenty. This will be enough for all the transactions. For deploying a contract, you may need a bit more, but for playing around with Polygon and or minting the NFT of what the commit, this will be more than enough. It can actually take quite some time, but yeah, bridging the funds from Ethereum to Polygon will take much longer, so by then the Matic will be there. If you, like I said, you don't need much Matic, so this faucet is really good. It will only send you like this amount, like it tells you, but you can do as it says with 0.001. You can already do 100 basic transactions on the Polygon network, so it's really cheap. You don't need much, and so you're good to go. The most important part is if you bridge from Ethereum to, or you move your funds from Ethereum to Polygon, and you will actually, you can easily get more Matic. You can just go to any decentralized exchange on the Polygon network you may like, and can just exchange a bit of ETH for Matic, and then you will never have to take care of this problem again, because Matic is Polygon is incredibly cheap. So yes, this is basically it. It's really easy. And so now about bridging or moving your funds from Polygon, from Ethereum to Polygon. So first of all, there are multiple ways to do this. You could also like Google for a Polygon bridge, which will then go to Polygon web wallet, and here you can just connect wallet, can do the same again, already connected to Polygon. So we go here, then you can go to apps, and then you can go to Polygon bridge. And what you can do here is, let's switch back to the Ethereum mainnet. You can actually use the bridge to move your funds from Ethereum to Polygon. You can do this with multiple tokens, but for the sake of this this tutorial, we will just go with Ether. And here you would do you would do it with Ether, and then you would have to accept it, and you have different transfer modes. Basically, you have POS bridge and Plasma bridge. POS bridge is a bit more expensive. It's done in like maximum 1 hour, I would say. Plasma bridge is less expensive, but will actually take some days. So just keep that in mind. Personally, I think this is more the difficult part. I think if you want to play around on Polygon, or found what the commit project, then you probably already have an OpenSea account, and you can just leverage this because it's really easy. You have this icon here, this little wallet. You can just click it, and then you see, okay, ETH on Ethereum, ETH on Polygon, and what you can do is, if you have funds on ETH, you can just click these three little buttons, and then you can do bridge to Polygon. This will open a window, and then you can just say, okay, I want to convert 0.05 tokens and want to send them to Polygon. And you can click this, and then you will actually get this pop-up here where it says estimated gas fees. Right now it's a bit expensive. If you click on edit and advanced options, you will see that it's 128 GVI. If you're not in a rush, I would just recommend going a bit lower. You could also go like low, but you can set it manually if you're confident in this. But only modify the max fee. Right now, I would go with something like 80, which will then be executed in the nighttime probably. But yeah, this should work also. But of course, if you're in a rush, you can just do directly confirm. And when the transaction is finished, it will actually take a bit of time till the funds are moved. But yeah, personally, I like this the most because it's the most easiest one, in my opinion. If you want to bridge ETH, if you want to bridge other assets like USD Tether or something like this, then this is probably not for you. Then you would rather use this bridge, for example. So that's basically it. So with this, you would have set up MetaMask with Polygon. You would know how to move your funds from the Ethereum to the Polygon chain. You have different options. Just choose what works for you best. Keep in mind, POS and Plasma Bridge are two different things, and just so you don't get surprised that it take days and not hours till the funds are moved. And yeah, I can only recommend Chainlist. It's really great. You don't have to look it up yourself and have to type it in everything. You can just use it. Also, if you're a skeptical person and says, maybe they try to trick me and steal my funds, you can actually view the source code and check it out yourself. Anyway, if you're not if you're not okay with this and are really skeptical, you can always just go to I think it's Polygon chain MetaMask. It's not Polygonal, but here, community MetaMask, how to add custom networks. And there you can actually get all the things also and get a good explanation. And if you scroll down a bit, you will find the information you need here. And then you could actually go to your MetaMask and to your settings. And then you can go down here, networks, and then you can add network and can just add it, everything manually. But this is a lot harder. Personally, I don't think this is necessary. So yeah, I hope this tutorial helped you on how to move your funds from Ethereum and to Polygon. I can only recommend you to check out Polygon. It's a really great layer 2 solution with near zero gas fees, and yeah, it's awesome. Also, we are on Polygon, so if you want to mint what the commit, yeah, really appreciate it. Check it out. All the links in the description below, and have a nice day. Hope this helped.